In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet and Google Calendar. This process is both intuitive and convenient, allowing you to seamlessly organize your meetings from any desktop via a web browser. So let's dive in and break down each step to ensure you're set up for success. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Google Calendar serves as the backbone of this operation, offering a user-friendly interface to organize all of your upcoming events. Once you've navigated to the calendar, you'll see the plus Create button located at the top left corner of the page. Clicking this button initiates the process of setting up a new event. Alternatively, if you have a specific date and time in mind, you can double-click directly on the calendar to select that particular slot. Now that we have the event window open, it's time to enter a meeting title. The title is fundamental because it gives the attendees a glimpse of the meeting's purpose, making it easier for everyone to be on the same page. Following this, you'll need to determine and set the date, start time, and end time for your meeting. This step is crucial to ensure that all participants are aligned on when the meeting starts and ends. Once the fundamentals are in place, the next step is to click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This option integrates a video call directly into your calendar invitation, providing a convenient link for all invitees. This integration not only simplifies the process, but also ensures that no one is confused about where the meeting will take place. For meetings that require more context or supporting materials, you have the option to add a description, notes, or attachments. These fields are particularly helpful for setting expectations, sharing the meeting agenda, or providing any necessary documents ahead of time. Take a moment to fill these sections as thoroughly as needed to enhance the productivity of the meeting. The final step in this setup is to click Save. After saving, you'll be prompted with the option to send the invitation. Choosing to send the invitation immediately notifies your guests, providing them with all the logistics, including the Google Meet link embedded within the invite. This notification not only confirms the meeting with each participant, but also integrates seamlessly with their own calendars. And there you have it. Your meeting is now successfully scheduled, with every participant having the access and information they need to join via Google Meet. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also ensures that no details are overlooked. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!